Part 2. 5 Mindset Shifts That Make English Easy. Break the Myths. In my last video, I revealed 5 myths that make English feel difficult. If you haven't watched that video yet, go watch it first. Link is right here, because today's video will make so much more sense. For those who did watch, you already know the myths. Today, we destroy them, one by one, like a tutor sitting right beside you. Let's start with myth number 1. English is a subject. Here is the shift you need to make. English is not a subject. It is a skill. Think about riding a bicycle. Nobody masters cycling by reading a manual. You learn by falling, balancing, and trying again. English works exactly the same way. A subject lives in your notebook. A skill lives in your body and voice. So today, stop studying English like a subject. Start practicing it like a skill, a living, breathing skill that grows every time you use it. Now, myth number 2. Learn first, speak later. Here is the truth every fluent speaker discovers eventually. Speaking is not the reward after learning. Speaking is the learning. Imagine a baby. A baby does not sit and study grammar rules before speaking its first word. The baby speaks, makes mistakes, gets corrected, and grows. Your brain learns language the same natural way, through use, not just through input. So the shift is simple. Stop postponing your voice. Speak today, with the English you have right now, not the English you wish you had. Myth number 3. Fear of judgment. This one lives deep inside your mind. But let's shift the lens completely. When someone speaks broken English with genuine effort, what do you actually feel? Not mockery. You feel respect. You feel their courage. The same applies to you. People are not watching you to judge. They are watching to connect. Here is your new mindset. Every sentence you speak is not a test. It is a small bridge, connecting you to another human being. Fear says, they will judge me. Truth says, they simply want to understand me. Choose the truth. Myth number 4. Perfection before action. This myth is sneaky. It disguises itself as discipline. I just want to be really good before I try. But here is the tutor's honest truth. Perfection is a moving target. It never arrives. What actually creates fluency is progress, small and steady. One imperfect sentence today builds the foundation for a confident paragraph next month. So replace your goal. Instead of chasing perfect English, chase 1% better than yesterday. That is a goal you can actually reach again and again. And finally, myth number 5. Comparison. The shift. Your only real competition is your past self. Not anyone else's voice. Not anyone else's accent. Just your own growth, day by day. So, let's return to the question from last video. Does English really feel difficult? Or was it simply 5 myths quietly running your mind? Subject becomes skill. Learning becomes speaking. Judgment becomes connection. Perfection becomes progress. Comparison becomes growth. Shift these, and fluency stops being a distant dream. It becomes your daily habit. Now, go to the comments. Tell me, which shift will you apply starting today? And if you're ready for the next step, the exact daily plan to build this new mindset into a habit, that video is coming very soon. Subscribe and I will see you there. Until then, keep speaking. Keep growing. English was never your enemy.